Matt Pete here with Transhield, and today we're going to show you how to install personal watercraft cover. You're going to receive the cover in a box, simple little cardboard box, and you're going to want to look for the back of the cover, which will have this B-lock right here. You'll put the cover over the handlebars and then bring it forward over the bow. It takes a little bit of work to get it situated. I'm going to pull it down past the rub rail on both sides. And you've got the cover set in place. In the back of the cover is where the perimeter bungee cord will exit. There's a lock there, call it a B-lock, and that allows you to pull each side of the cover tight and will still lock in place. I always like to tie a little knot to prevent that from sliding over the winter and to get the excess rope out of the way so you don't run over it when you're backing the trailer up. In the perimeter, a couple on each side are tie-downs. We do not provide the rope for those tie-downs. I like to use bungee cord. It's very simple. You can hook it on there and then you're going to pull it over on the other side. Make sure you have it well secured so it doesn't come over and slap you in the face.